The ever-evolving customer expectations, dynamic competition, and increased focus on ESG is driving companies to reinvent and reimagine their operations and business models to stay ahead of the game. And as a result, adoption of Industry 4.0 has become inevitable for manufacturing companies. LTI Industry X.0 Canvas creates value at the intersection of domain, digital engineering, and smart technologies to accelerate digital transformation journeys of our customers. We are helping global organizations realize their vision for factory of the future, connected products, sustainability. We worked with a leading multinational power management company to define their digital transformation roadmap for factory of the future. Established machine connectivity, business KPI visualization, and predictive maintenance. For a global oil and gas midstream company, LTI developed an integrated command center that connects more than 40 plant distributed control systems, 5 SCADA systems, and a number of meters spread across 42 million miles of pipeline. Our customer was recognized by the World Economic Forum as a digital lighthouse for scaling Industry 4.0 adoption. LTI is engaged in a large-scale service and customer experience transformation program with one of the world's leading global elevator manufacturing companies. We have onboarded 200,000 plus elevators across 5 countries so far, leveraging LTI Phosphor product suite. LTI has also helped a Swedish commercial vehicle manufacturer connect 170K vehicles and create a new business model called Vehicle as a Service, leveraging disruptive SaaS platforms. LTI partners with a leading water company in India for seamless management and enhanced operational efficiency of water treatment plants and distribution networks. LTI has partnered with its parent organization, L&T, to implement smart campus solutions, leveraging our digital twin framework for one campus real-time view, asset health monitoring, predictive maintenance, and remote assistance with the help of AR/VR. Give us an unsolvable problem. Let's solve it.